And we're back with another robot vacuum review, but this time we're looking at what might be one of the most over-engineered robo-vacs on the market right now. Meet the Dreame X60 Ultra. This is Dreame's latest flagship robot vacuum, and honestly, it feels like the company tried to solve almost every common robot vacuum problem in one go. Low furniture clearance? Solved. Doorway thresholds? Solved. Manual cleaning? Mostly solved. Now, if you watched our feature on the X50 Ultra before, think of this, the X60 Ultra, as Dreame refining that formula even further. The biggest upgrades here are the dramatically stronger 35,000 Pascal suction, smarter dual camera AI navigation, improved obstacle recognition, better threshold climbing, and even a slimmer body for cleaning under tighter spaces. The X50 Ultra is still an incredibly capable flagship robot vacuum, but the X60 Ultra feels more like Dreame's no compromises version of it. So, without further ado, let's get into it. At first glance, the X60 Ultra still looks unmistakably like a Dreame robot vacuum. You get the circular design, premium matte finish, and the docking station that honestly looks more like an appliance than an accessory. And yes, the dock is huge, but considering everything it does, it kind of has to be. This all-in-one station handles auto dustbin emptying, hot water mop washing, hot air drying, automatic water refilling, detergent dispensing, and self-cleaning functionality. So basically, once everything is set up, you can generally go weeks without touching the robot itself. Now, the coolest design feature here is easily the new retractable LiDAR system, which is here. Unlike most robot vacuums with a permanently raised sensor tower, the X60 Ultra's LiDAR module can actually lower itself when needed, like when it's closed, reducing the robot's height to just 79.5 millimeters so it can clean underneath lower furniture more effectively than the X50 Ultra before. And once it exits those tighter spaces, the sensor rises back up for full navigation accuracy. It's one of those features that sounds gimmicky at first until you actually realize how many places older robot vacuums simply couldn't reach before, mainly because they're just a bit too high. Now, underneath this, you get dual spinning mop pads, a redesigned anti-tangle brush system, and Dreame's improved edge cleaning setup. The brush design in particular feels much better suited for homes with pets or long hair everywhere. Now let's move on to the performance. This thing is an absolute monster on paper. The X60 Ultra features up 35,000 Pascal of suction power, which is a massive jump over the X50 Ultra's already impressive 20,000 system. And in actual use, it performs exactly how you'd expect it to perform. Dust, crumbs, pet hair, and even larger debris are handled with very little effort, especially on hard floors. On carpets, the X60 Ultra does a noticeably better job than most robot vacuums at lifting surface debris, especially with its carpet boost modes enabled. It also features automatic mop lifting so it can vacuum carpets and mop hard floors in a single run without dragging wet pads onto the rugs. Navigation is where things get really impressive though. Compared to the X50 Ultra's single AI camera system, the X60 Ultra upgrades to a dual AI camera combined with structured light sensors and proactive LED illumination for more accurate object recognition and route planning. Dreame claims it can recognize over 280 object types, compared to around 200 on the X50 Ultra. So things like charging cables, slippers, toys, pet bowls, even smaller clutter are less likely to get eaten by the robot compared to the older models. Not to mention, it can easily go over obstacles on the floor, should there be any, with up to 3.47 inches of obstacle crossing. The app experience is also packed with customization. We can create no-go zones, customize room cleaning order, adjust suction and water levels, generate 3D maps, set carpet-specific behaviors. Mapping is fast, accurate, and surprisingly detailed too. Now, that being said, despite all the tech packed inside and seeing what this thing can do, the X60 Ultra still isn't perfect. Edge cleaning can occasionally require a second pass, especially in tighter corners. And while suction is incredibly strong, deeply embedded dirt in thicker carpets can still be a hit or miss depending on the surface. The AI navigation can also become a little too cautious at times, but again, it's better to be safe than sorry. There were moments the robot avoided spaces that looked perfectly accessible, likely because it was prioritizing safety over the aggressive cleaning, which again, safety of the robot and everything else around it. Mopping performance is excellent too for daily maintenance cleaning, but tougher dried stains may still require multiple passes to remove. So while the X60 Ultra is incredibly smart, there are still moments where traditional cleaning methods are faster for very specific messes. Now, as for the battery, the Dreame X60 Ultra packs a larger 6400 mAh battery, which gives it excellent endurance overall. Depending on the cleaning mode, you can expect several hours of runtime before needing to recharge this robot, which is more than enough for most medium to large houses, or especially even smaller houses or condos. And because it supports smart recharge and resume, the robot can automatically continue unfinished cleaning sessions after charging without users having to manually input anything. Charging speeds are noticeably faster than older models too, helping reducing downtime between runs. Now, as for the maintenance of this robot vacuum, this is where the X60 Ultra genuinely starts feeling futuristic. The amount of maintenance automation here is quite honestly ridiculous, and it's very impressive. The docking station handles dust collection, mop cleaning, mop drying, water refilling, detergent mixing, and even self-cleaning its own internal washing system. And because the mop washing system uses hot water and hot air drying, odors and bacteria buildup are much easier to manage compared to older robot vacuums. For busy households, this level of automation is a huge quality of life improvement. That said, the trade-off is still size. The dock takes up a decent amount of floor space, so smaller condos or tighter living spaces may need to plan around it. And it's also heavy, that's why I only brought this. Overall, the Dreame X60 Ultra feels less like a regular robot vacuum and more like a fully automated home cleaning system. It combines extremely strong suction, advanced AI navigation, industry-leading automation, unique hardware innovations like retractable LiDAR, and high threshold climbing into one impressive package. Compared to the X50 Ultra, this X60 Ultra mainly improves on intelligence, power, and accessibility rather than completely reinventing the experience. So if the X50 Ultra already felt premium, this X60 Ultra feels like Dreame pushing things as far as they possibly can for a consumer robot vacuum. Is it perfect? Again, not quite. There are still occasional quirks with edge cleaning, deep carpet performance, and overly cautious navigation behavior. But in terms of the convenience and the smart features this provides, the X60 Ultra is easily one of the most advanced robot vacuums available on the market right now. It's the kind of product that genuinely makes smart homes feel smarter and perfect for those who are always on the go. And while the price is definitely premium, so is the experience. But so far, what do you guys think of the Dreame X60 Ultra? Would you get this hyper-futuristic robot vacuum for your place? Or would you still prefer doing things the manual way? Whatever the case, share your thoughts in the comments below. And of course, if you enjoyed this video, please do drop a like and subscribe to watch more. Don't forget to follow us on our social media platforms at Facebook, Instagram, X, and TikTok. And of course, visit yugatech.com for the latest tech news and reviews. Once again, this has been Jose. This has been the Dreame X60 Ultra. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Time for this thing to clean again.